Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you tired of feeling left behind in the rapidly evolving world of technology? Do you want to level up your career and stay ahead of the curve? Well, today's video is tailor-made for you. In the next few minutes, we'll dive deep into the world of Amazon Web Services, AWS, and reveal 3 powerful reasons why you need to learn about AWS in 2023. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Let's get started. Picture this. You're interviewing for a job, and the interviewer asks you about your experience with cloud computing. You're not sure how to answer, and you feel like you've just missed out on a golden opportunity. Don't let this be you. Cloud computing is the future, and AWS is at the forefront of it all. By the end of this video, you'll be convinced that learning AWS is an investment in your career you can't afford to miss. First, let's talk about the cloud. You've probably heard the term cloud computing thrown around, but what does it really mean? At its core, cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services over the internet, including storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Instead of owning and maintaining your own data centers and servers, you can access technology services on an as-needed basis from a cloud provider like AWS. The cloud has revolutionized the way businesses operate. It allows companies to be more agile, flexible, and cost-effective. In fact, companies of all sizes, from startups to multinational corporations, are embracing the cloud to stay competitive in today's digital landscape. This means that the demand for cloud-savvy professionals is skyrocketing. By learning AWS, you're positioning yourself to ride this wave of innovation and opportunity. So, now that we've established the importance of the cloud, let's talk about AWS. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform. It offers over 200 fully featured services from data centers globally, spanning computing, storage, databases, networking, analytics, machine learning, Internet of Things, IoT, security, and much more. AWS allows businesses to build and deploy applications at scale, improve security, and save on infrastructure costs. In 2023, AWS continues to dominate the market, with big names like Netflix, Airbnb, and even NASA relying on its services. This makes AWS a valuable skill for tech professionals to have under their belt. You might be wondering, why should I learn AWS specifically when there are other cloud providers out there? Great question. Here are the key reasons why AWS should be at the top of your learning list. 1. Market leadership. AWS has been the market leader in the cloud industry for years, and it shows no signs of slowing down. With a 32% market share, AWS is the go-to choice for countless organizations worldwide. By learning AWS, you're tapping into a vast ecosystem of employers, partners, and opportunities. 2. Comprehensive services. AWS offers an unparalleled range of services, which means there's something for everyone. Whether you're a developer, a data scientist, a DevOps engineer, or a cybersecurity expert, AWS has tools and services that cater to your unique skill set. Learning AWS can help you diversify your skill set and open up new career paths. 3. High demand for AWS skills. Companies are desperate for professionals with AWS expertise. According to a recent host, absolutely. Let's dive into some more reasons why learning AWS is a smart move for anyone looking to advance their career in the tech industry. 4. Constantly evolving platform. AWS is known for its rapid pace of innovation, with new features and services being added regularly. This means that, as an AWS practitioner, you'll always be at the cutting edge of technology. By staying up to date with the latest AWS developments, you'll be equipped to solve complex problems and implement innovative solutions for your organization. 5. Strong community and support. AWS has a vast and growing community of users and experts who are eager to share their knowledge and help others succeed. By learning AWS, you'll gain access to valuable resources such as forums, webinars, tutorials, and even in-person events. This support network can help you deepen your understanding of AWS, troubleshoot issues, and grow your professional network. 6. Flexible learning paths. AWS offers a variety of learning paths and certifications, making it easy for you to tailor your education to your interests and career goals. From foundational cloud concepts to specialized disciplines like machine learning or data analytics, AWS provides a comprehensive curriculum that caters to learners of all levels. 7. Improve your problem-solving skills. Learning AWS will challenge you to think critically and creatively about complex technical problems. As you become more familiar with the platform, you'll develop a deeper understanding of how different services can be combined and optimized to create effective solutions. These problem-solving skills are transferable to many other areas of your career and can make you a more versatile and valuable team member. 8. Enhance collaboration and communication. As businesses increasingly rely on cloud services, collaboration between different teams becomes essential. By learning AWS, you'll be better equipped to communicate with other departments and stakeholders, bridging gaps in understanding and fostering more efficient teamwork. This ability to work cross-functionally can set you apart from other professionals and position you as a leader in your organization. 9. Future-proof your career. As the world continues to move toward digitalization and automation, cloud computing skills are becoming increasingly important. By mastering AWS, you'll be future-proofing your career and ensuring that you remain relevant and employable in a rapidly changing job market. In summary, learning AWS can significantly enhance your technical expertise, problem-solving skills, and ability to collaborate effectively. By investing in AWS education, you'll be well-positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for cloud-savvy professionals and create a successful career in the technology industry. If you enjoyed the video, tell me in the comment what kind of video I should make next. See you next time.